Indianapolis, Indiana. A motorboat has dropped over the edge of a dam. Two couples are on board, and they could be swept away at any moment. Sergeant Chip Sunier and his air unit race to the scene. Even this veteran officer is taken aback by the extremely dangerous nature of the situation.
When we actually saw the boat in the position that it was sitting, I thought, oh my goodness, this is going to be difficult. What is a rescue attempt going to do to the position of that boat?
Even worse, one of the couples has a 9-month-old baby on board.
The baby could not be lifted in the sling. I saw that the back of the life jacket had a handle on it, but I knew that I could not rely on that life jacket to hold the baby. I knew we were going to have to get close.
Risking his own life, Sergeant Sunier steps onto the chopper's skids, the rotors spinning just a few feet above the boat.
Once we got into position, I made a split-second life and death decision to say, we're here, let's just do this.
He's got the child. With no time to waste, the infant's mother, Kim Metters, is harnessed to the chopper and carried off. Incredibly relieved, Kim and her baby are reunited on dry land. Minutes later, the baby's father is plucked from the boat, along with the remaining couple.
It was so loud with the water and the propeller and everything that we couldn't communicate except by eye contact and hand motions. We were just desperate to get our son off the boat.
It's an amazing end to an otherwise horrifying afternoon.
They just did what they had to do, and we're grateful that they were there.